Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Lenovo Yoga. This, as you can see, is Lenovo's IdeaPad C340. It's a yoga machine. It's got a 256 SSD, 4 gig RAM. It's a little 14-inch machine, i5 with whatever a yoga comes with. So let's open the box and see what's inside. This one's also got Windows 10 single language, Windows 10 Home. So let's have a look. Sure. My hands are frozen. Today is extremely cold with us. So, yeah, in the box there's your charger. It's a brick. Sometimes difficult to plug in these, but yeah, it's got a normal brick with a small charging point. I believe all of the Yogas comes with those. Okay, I think that's the last thing that's in the box. There's just a little booklet also, setup guide, and some safety warnings and stuff. So let's see how this thing looks. Nice. The packaging is so good. It's packaged for extreme conditions. Wow. Okay, it's a little, it's a light blue color. It's actually very, very nice. On this side, we've got two USB ports. It looks like this USB port will stay on. It's got a little battery there, so I think this will be the always on port where you can charge your phone even if the machine is off. Your power button, this is a reset button, and then a card reader, and yeah, that's what's on that side. The back has just got the vents, and over here you've got, on all these machines now, I see you've got type C's, but there's your headset port, so you can put in a mic and speakers for that. There's a charging port and HDMI. Let's open it up. This one has got a touch screen. I don't know if they all come with touch screens, but this one has got the touch screen. It says here Dolby audio. It's a bit difficult to see, but yeah, it's there. It's got a fingerprint reader, and yeah, as I said, this is the C340. There you can also just see your camera. You can close the camera. It's got a little shutter, and yeah, you can flip the screen fully backwards. I can do that. I don't like to do it, but let's try. So yeah, now it's a tablet, and if you flip it back, it's a notebook. So yeah, you can also see, you can see me. This little switch here, you can switch it left and right. It opens up and closes the camera port or the camera lens, so for privacy. In any case, yeah, I think that's it for this unboxing. I don't know what I will do. I can switch it on. Let's see what how it looks when it comes on, but this is the first time it switches on, so might go through some Windows. Oh yeah, I think this you have to put on power first before you switch it on. So let me do that, get some power, and then we can check it out. Okay, so when you plug it in, there's a little orange light that comes on, shows you it's charging. And let's press the power button. This is an 8th gen i5. Don't know if I mentioned that, but let's see. Yeah, the normal basic Windows 10 first startup. Just a moment. Closer, maybe. That's a better view.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Wow, nice sound.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Wow. Yeah.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom.
Let's silence her. But yeah, the speakers on this is also sounds very good. So I think you're gonna have good speaker quality. Oh my goodness, now my dog is barking. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the machine, unbox it, and I think it's a very good build quality, and well done Lenovo again for making this. Thanks for watching.